Hi everyone, today we're going to be walking through how to create a farmer account on the stemtopeddle platform. So here we are on the home page at stemtopeddle.com. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see two main tabs here, one for farmers, one for florists. So we're a farmer. We are just going to click on this create account button, and it's going to bring us to this account creation screen, where we just have to enter in a little bit of information to get the account created. So we enter in our business name. That would be the name of your farm. So do that. ABC Flower Farm. John Farmer. Enter your name and your business phone number. And enter in your email address. This is the email address where you'll be receiving information about orders that have been placed. So make sure that's your business email. And just create a password. And the last thing we'll need is your address where you'll be delivering from. So that's your farm address. We use this address to calculate distances between your farm and florists. So let's do that. So we'll enter in our address here. And the last thing, if you heard about us anywhere in particular, let us know. So I'll just choose Facebook here, and you just click the Create My Account button, and your account has been created. You'll receive a welcome email from us, and that'll give you some important information. And if you want to go check out the account home, you just click this button here, or you can click the Stem2Peddle button there. So here we are in the farmer dashboard. This is where you can control all aspects of your online shop. So stay tuned. We have some other videos about the dashboard and some of the specific features. So check out those videos. Thanks for watching.